Good morning. Myself Harini, working as an assistant professor in the Department of Agriculture Engineering. So today's lecture video is on the title Pasteurization of Milk. In this lecture, we are going to discuss about basic pasteurization concept and what are all the methods of pasteurization and the application of pasteurization in food industry. So, in this process, food such as milk or fruit juices is heated to a specific temperature for a certain period of time. Here, the heat is we are giving heat to food. Here, the heat destroys the disease causing bacteria and it reduces the number of spoilage causing microorganism. Here, the pasteurization does not kill all the organisms in food. It reduces the harmful pathogens. So, the main objective is to reduce the harmful pathogens in food. So, the history of pasteurization is it was invented by the French scientist Louis Pasteur. The name pasteurization is derived from the scientist Louis Pasteur during the 19th century. By reducing these microbes, the quality of the beverage is maintained for longer time and the shelf life is increased. So, Louis Pasteur have experimented the pasteurization concept with the beverage, beer and wine, by observing that pasteurization helps to eliminate the pathogenic microorganism from that beverage, and also it prolong the quality of the beverage. So that concept he invented. Today, pasteurization is widely used in dairy industries and other food processing industries to achieve the food preservation and the food safety. So, the main purpose of pasteurization is to kill the harmful pathogens that may be present in milk and it can be transmitted to the human beings. Another is to improve the quality of the milk and to increase the shelf life of products and also to uh, destroy the microorganisms. So, this is the basic milk pasteurization flow chart. First, the raw materials is for tested for its fat content and SNF content, for its quality. After that, it is followed by preheating process. This process helps for easier filtration and processing. It is done by 35 to 40 degrees Celsius. After that, it undergoes clarification or filtration process to remove the unwanted dust, hair, and dirt and physical impurities. After that, the milk is standardized to adjust the fat and solid non-fat, which is called as SNF, to the required level for the uniform quality of the milk, for adjusting the uniform quality of the milk. After that, the milk is homogenized at high pressure. This breaks the fat globules into the very smaller sizes where the cream cannot get separated. After that, it undergoes pasteurization process. The milk is pasteurized by heating it to 72 degrees Celsius for 15 seconds, which is high temperature short time method pasteurization to kill the harmful microorganism. After that, the milk is packed in clean and sterile packages to prevent the contamination, and the packed milk is stored below 5 degrees Celsius to maintain the freshness and to increase the shelf life of the milk. Next, so these are all the methods of pasteurization. Usually, the common four types of milk pasteurization is high temperature short time, which is HTST, low temperature long time, which is LTLT, and UHT, ultra high temperature. And other methods used for other food products is flash pasteurization, steam pasteurization, and irradiation pasteurization. Let's discuss one by one. So, First is LTLT, so low temperature and long time. In this method, the milk is heated at very low temperature for longer time. Usually, it is heated to 63 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. And it is a simple batch method. It is mainly used in small dairy industries, small scale dairy industries and laboratories to destroy the pathogenic organism. And here it is also known as holder method. Uh, we are holding the milk up to long time for 63 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. It is also known as holder method or vat pasteurization. So this is the that vat. So the equipment that we are telling is that is called vat. So it is also known as vat pasteurization. So the next is HTST, high temperature short time. So in this method, the milk is heated to high temperature and a very short time. Usually it is heated to 72 degrees Celsius for 15 seconds. This method kills harmful microorganism while preserving, and it also preserving the taste and nutrients of the milk. It is highly used in large scale dairy industries, and it is followed by rapid cooling to prevent the microbial growth. So next is UHT. This is a very high temperature for very short time. This method is UHT pasteurization. So here the product is heated more than 100 degrees Celsius, which is 135 degrees Celsius to 150 degrees Celsius for 2 to 5 seconds. This destroys almost all the microorganism and gives the milk, uh, it extends the shelf life of the milk even without the refrigeration. So commonly this is used for commercial milk products, commercial market product. So the next is other process which is used for pasteurized food is ultra pasteurization and steam pasteurization and irradiation pasteurization. So the ultra pasteurization involves the heating the milk and cream at least 280 degrees Celsius, more than 150 degrees Celsius for just 2 seconds. Here the spoilage times for ultra pasteurized products are similar to the conventional pasteurized products, and the shelf life of milk is extended up to 3 months for ultra pasteurized products. Next is steam pasteurization. In this pasteurization, the temperature is 190 degrees Celsius to 200 degrees Celsius. Here there are some spoilage causing microorganisms like Salmonella, Listeria. Uh, it reduces the pathogenic bacteria like E. coli, Salmonella, and Listeria. This type of steam pasteurization helps to reduce the harmful bacteria like E. coli, Salmonella, and Listeria. Next is irradiation pasteurization. Foods such as poultry, red meat, spices, fruits, and vegetables are subjected to some amount of gamma rays. This irradiation pasteurization helps to reduce these type of foodborne pathogens and increases the storage time of the foods. So the industrial application of pasteurization. So while giving this type of heat process to the foods, uh, it can extend the shelf life up to prolonged time. Commercially, it is commercially used for long life products, long life milk, juices, and liquid foods. And it also helps to retain the nutrients and flavor. It extends the shelf life of the food and also used to destroy all the pathogenic microorganism which causes spoilage. Thank you.